Welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the Master of Social Work Counseling. And before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of information according to the course. If you are looking for any help related to the any Ignou course, you can contact us anytime. Now, let us discuss about the introduction. So, in this paper, what you will learn and what objectives of this course are given here. So you can read this. Uh, Now we will talk about the eligibility and medium. If you have a graduation degree, so you can do this course. And medium of instructions are English and Hindi. And the duration of course is given here, which is at least 24 months. And here it is not correct. 24 months for this course and 48 months for the maximum duration. Fee structure is given 80,500 for per year, and international students are not offered for this course. Exam fees is not included in this structure. It will be decided by the university. Job prospectus are given. There is good potential for employment in government as well as NGO sectors. There is an urgent need for specially trained counselors to handle the stress of employees work with call centers, corporate sectors, families, family courts, connection settings, schools, universities, and education institutions. Now, program guide is given here, so you can download it. Now, course structure is given here. In the year one, one, two, three, four, five, six, six papers are in year one. One, two, three, four. Sorry, in year one, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. 10 papers are in year one. In year two, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. There are seven papers in year two. So after completing all the papers, you will get a degree, which is Master of Social Work Counseling (OTL). And thank you so much for watching. If you have any other query related to this, so you can contact us anytime. I am here for help you anytime. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you soon on WhatsApp.